1 million views. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So in today's video, as you could glean from the title, I finally surpassed 1 million views on the channel collectively. It's not any video specific, but it's the total views, which I never really thought that would even happen. That just seems so outlandish to me, because really probably what that means is I have very few repeating people who watch multiple videos. So to me, that means that I've had almost 1 million people show up to my channel and watch. And what really blew me away is this 30,152. When I did the math, when it happened, it was like 3 years of watch time on my channel. So it's almost half as long as I've had the channel around. And I just want to tell everyone, thank you very, very much. I enjoy making these videos, and I'm hoping to share, and I mean, there's even selfish reasons where I get to be a better programmer. So to have you all sit and spend your time, very valuable time, watching my videos, I just can't say thank you enough. So I just wanted to share this milestone with everybody. It happened back earlier in the month, I think around the 8th or the 9th. But I just wanted to tell everybody thank you. So you could see the progression here as this goes through. I turned it off I selected total, so you could see all the videos, and I have this squished down, but you're still able to see it. And it was really ramping up here, and I think right around here is when I was making my videos for CodeDam, and then I think right here is when I started working the new job, or the old new job, for my past employer. But I can't tell you all thank you enough. So it's been very humbling, very encouraging, very motivating, the great support. We've been doing a lot of live streams recently. We've been having a lot of people show up, growing the community over on Discord. So if you've not joined the Discord server down below, please make sure you're joining over there to get the support that you need, asking the questions that you're curious about, the help that you need and would like support with. That's the whole reason for this community, was to fill in the gaps that other platforms or channels just didn't quite go all the way. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests, and as always, thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.